Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy bonds on Interactive Brokers. We'll start by navigating the platform to find the bond trading section. Then, I'll guide you through understanding the various bond types available and how to use the search tools effectively. Finally, we'll cover the initial steps to prepare for placing your first bond order, ensuring you're ready to proceed with confidence. Finding the right bond begins with solid research. Interactive Brokers offers a powerful bond scanner tool to help you. You can filter by criteria like maturity date, yield to worst, coupon rate, and credit rating. This allows you to compare various corporate, municipal, and government bonds, ensuring your selection aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Once you've identified a bond, placing an order is straightforward. Select the bond, then specify the quantity, typically in increments of $1,000 face value. You can choose between market or limit orders. Review the order details, including estimated commissions, which are transparent and low, before submitting. Always confirm your order to ensure accuracy. After purchasing, it's important to manage your bond investments. Track their performance and understand how interest payments are received. Bonds can provide steady income and help diversify your portfolio. Regularly review your holdings and consider reinvestment strategies to optimize your returns, especially as bonds approach their maturity dates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.